Doctors on a war path demanding justice. Kolkata is witnessing a series of protests with political parties and several organizations marching on the streets. And this continues amid the uproar. A two-day special session of the Assembly of West Bengal is going to be held from Monday to pass an anti-rape legislation. BJP is to support Mamata's move in the Assembly. The stringent bill proposes to treat all rape incidents, even if victim survives, as murder. It is to be punished with death penalty or life imprisonment. The bill will call for a time-bound trial and a hefty compensation to be collected from the guilty. Meanwhile, BJP continues to train guns at the West Bengal government and at the Chief Minister, accusing her of shielding goons and rapists in Bengal. Calling RG Kaur a national tragedy, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar said that the barbarity has been expressed in its extremity.
For the first time in my life, I am totally drained out. It took me a lot of courage to come to this place, but I could not have left the land of gods without being accountable before you all. On August 9, 2024 was not an incident, not a culpable act. It was barbarity expressed in extremity, shaming humanity. And the victim happened to be from a category, a class that is ever devoted to saving lives.
কপিল সিব্বল তিনি ধর্ষকদের বাঁচাতে কেন সুপ্রিম কোর্টে দাঁড়িয়েছেন? ভুল। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে ধর্ষকদের বাঁচাতে কোনো লয়ার দাঁড়াননি। মামলাটা হয়েছে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট নিজে করেছেন, রাজ্য সরকারকে পার্টি করেছেন। তাহলে রাজ্য সরকার পুলিশ যে ব্যবস্থা নিচ্ছিল, অ্যারেস্ট করেছে, তো রাজ্য সরকারকে তো তার বক্তব্য জানাতে তো লয়ার দিতে হবে। তার সঙ্গে আচ্ছা কাকে বাঁচাতে যাবে? যাকে রাজ্য সরকার নিজে ধরেছে, কলকাতা পুলিশ নিজে ধরেছে, তাকেই বাঁচাতে যাবে? হয় নাকি কখনো? ফলে এই যে পারসেপশনটা দেওয়ার চেষ্টা হচ্ছে যে কপিল সিব্বলকে দাঁড় করানো হয়েছে একজন ধর্ষক খুনিকে বাঁচাবার জন্য, এটা একদম ভুল।
देखिए प्रशासन पूरी तरीके से फेल्यूर हो चुकी है और पूरी यहाँ पे जो पुलिसी व्यवस्था है, पूरी सी व्यवस्था पूरी तरीके से टूट चुकी है और इसके लिए जिम्मेदार जो है वो ममता बनर्जी है। इसलिए ममता बनर्जी को कोई मोरल अधिकार नहीं है, नैतिक अधिकार नहीं है कि अपने पद पर बैठे रहे। वो अपना पद छोड़ के जाए, इससे ही बंगाल का मंगल है।
मध्यम ग्राम के टीएमसी का पंचायत अरेस्ट हुआ है, उसका घर जनता ने तोड़ा है। ये पूरा गुंडा रेपिस्ट का हाथ में बंगाल है। और जो बात यहां से हमारी लीडर लोग ने बताई ना, इसका जड़ और इसका आर्किटेक्टर ममता बनर्जी खुद। स्टेप डाउन ममता, शी शुड रिजाइन।
If Mamata Banerjee remains the chief minister and this party TMC stays in government, then definitely this is going to continue, because there is no law and order in this state. There is no law and order. They don't believe in the constitution. They follow Mamata Banerjee's constitution. They don't follow Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So they are bringing a bill tomorrow in Vidhan Sabha.
We have, eminent filmmaker Aparna Shin with us. Ma'am, we do see that from the very first beginning you are staging dharna protests. Three weeks have passed, ma'am. We all are eagerly waiting for the justice. Where the investigation heading towards?
Look, I can't say where the investigation is heading towards. We have the biggest institution of investigation in our country. It's a Central Bureau of Investigation who have taken charge. They are trying to crack, I think, Shondeep Ghosh. Good, if they can crack Shondeep Ghosh, I will be very happy. They have to find the nexus behind Shondeep Ghosh. Now, this can't be done overnight. This will take time. I think we are all getting a little impatient. While I agree that the protest has to go on, the protest must go on without without this kind of shouting and without upsetting life in the city, life of the citizens, because there are many people who are are daily wage laborers. And what will happen to them? They're not being able to even earn their livelihood. We have to think about all that. I think what is the need of the day is some clarity in thinking. The case rests with the biggest, highest court in the country, the Supreme Court, which is very important, that the Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance. It has given it that much importance. So let's wait. Let's wait a little bit. In the meantime, I think it's very important that we place a charter of demands to the ruling party. At the moment, this is the ruling party. Until that changes, if that changes.
So why there is no arrest? Why all those things were happening? So what was the principal doing? Why isn't he arrested till now? Why there was so much lapse of time? So we talk about fast track, but it was really a fast track process of destroying all the evidences. But the fast track has not happened. We have not got any kind of justice till now. So we have no alternative than to just demand and protest for justice.
The fact that these parties are thinking that only they know that they are strategizing, and we on the other hand are not being able to understand anything. Sirs and ma'ams, please understand, we are the people who vote for you, whether you be TMC or you be BJP. So don't underestimate us, the kind of politics that you are trying to play with this Arjikor in front. We all get it. And trust us, we are not a part of it. This case has not even been resolved. Let resolve go astray. We can't see any hope of light. And if you, like you said, if you look at the statistics of last week or last month, it's horrific.